Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get Google Play Store in an iPhone. So as you can see, I got it right here. So all apps are available for me. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get Google Play Store on your iPhone. So if you're like, oh, I need to play Android games, well, now I'll show you guys how to get Google Play Store. So all you have to do is go to this website right here. And then go to the search bar, and as you can see guys, there it is. So press install. So before it downloads, there's one more step, and that is verification. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then we'll have the Play Store on your phone. So let's just give it a second for this to load up here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna let it load. So let's just give it a second. So you can see the Apple and Android logo right there, so it does work on both. So I'm just gonna let it load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool guys, because like Android does have some apps that are not on the App Store. So anyway guys, now we're at the end and it's gonna say missing files or something. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and follow the instructions. They're completely free and they're from the official App Store. So if you guys are tired of having nothing, you can do it on this site. So let's just wait for this to load. So yeah, it's just loading right here. So I'm just gonna refresh it. So yeah, let's just give it a second to load up. So as you can see, we got these apps. So you just want to download some of them. So like Travel Towns, like install and reach level 9, right? So I just press continue, go to the App Store, and I just got to play this until I'm level 9. So that's pretty easy. So just make sure you do like 2 of them and you're going to be all set. So that's how to get Play Store, guys. So it's super cool. So just make sure you download 2 of them, then go back to the list, see what else we got in here. So we got DraftKings, Mode Casino. So yeah, I mean, if you guys want to have Google Play Store in your phone, what happens is you're very thinking and you're not finding anything. So the reason is this is kind of like a lowdown method that not everyone knows about. But yeah, that's how to get Google Play Store, guys. So as you can see, we got all the apps and games here. So this is super cool. So if you guys want to have it, now you know the secret guide to get Google Play Store. So as you can see, we have all the apps here. It's really cool because they've got like so many different games and stuff that are not normally available. So that is so cool. So yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these apps, follow the instructions, and then you should get Play Store. Also, there's the video you can watch, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to watch a video on how to do it, there is like a video right there. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get Google Play Store, guys. So it's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome and it totally works. So yeah, get the word out, guys, and you too can install Google Play Store. So yeah, it's super fun, and like I've always been like involved in the community, you know, trying to be like different, but you know, a lot of people don't know about this guide, so I just thought I'd share it, get the word out about the community so you guys can learn about it. But yeah, that's how to get Google Play Store. So it's super cool. All the Android apps and Android games are ready. So if this video works, be sure to try it out. I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, this is super crazy. So hopefully the video does work for you, but yeah, it's super awesome. So try it out for yourself, guys, get the word out, and yeah, you shouldn't have like any need to like jailbreak or anything. So I think it's pretty cool, to be honest with you.